Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make lemon tart, a classic summer dessert everyone would love. I'm going to start with making our pie dough. This is a basic pie dough you can use for tarts or any other pies that you would like to make. Grate half a cup or 1 stick of cold butter. Using cold butter will yield us flaky pie crust. In a large bowl, take 1 cup of flour, salt, and then mix them together well. Into this, we are going to add the cold butter that we grated. Using the spatula, start mixing the butter into the flour mixture. You can see the way I'm doing. I'm actually cutting the pieces of butter and trying to mix it into the flour. I have 3 tablespoons of ice cold water here. I'm gonna start adding 1 tablespoon of water at a time and start mixing. I'm gonna do this till all the dough comes together. Ideally, you will need 3 tablespoons of ice cold water, not more than that. Try and use only that much of water. The final tablespoon of water I'm adding, you can already see that the dough is coming together. I'm gonna give it a quick mix with my spatula and I'll switch to my clean hands. I'm just going to form a ball quickly. I'm not gonna knead it. I'm not gonna work with the dough for a longer time. Transfer the dough onto the cling wrap and shape it into a disc and cling wrap it and chill it in your refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Chilling the dough also helps cut down the shrinkage during the baking process. After at least 2 hours, take the dough, dust the surface and roll it into 1/4 inch thickness circle. You can see I'm exerting more pressure in the beginning because the dough is hard. That's a good thing. As we keep rolling, the dough gets softened and it gets easier to roll the dough. Don't worry about the cracks in the edges, you can always fix it. Today I'm not using any tart pan or the pie dish. I'm using a cast iron pan to which I am actually adding a layer of aluminum foil, and over this I'm gonna press the dough to the bottom and sides of the pan, making sure there are no air bubbles inside, and trim the extras with a sharp knife. Tidy up all the edges. If there are any cracks, you can fix them at this point of time. Add another layer of aluminum foil now, and over this goes the pie weights or any beans that you have at home. Bake it for about 6 minutes. Now let us take out all the weight along with the aluminum foil and again bake our pie tart for about 5 minutes at the same temperature, and then let the crust cool down. Meanwhile, we will prepare the filling. First, grate the lemon rinds before sectioning the fruit. I missed capturing while grating the rinds. We need to get the sections of the lemon, so for which I'm going to cut both the ends and then cut off the peels with white pith and everything to expose the fruit. Cut between the membranes to obtain the sections. Here is our first section. We will need about 3/4 cup of these sections. So go on doing the same thing as I'm doing in the video. As you find the seeds, take them out, clean it, and then just obtain the sections. It might sound tedious to see, but you're gonna enjoy it and the end results will be amazing and you would love it. You might be shocked to see the pile of peels, but then I've just used 4 lemons altogether to obtain 3/4 cup of the lemon sections. Also cut 10 very thin slices for the decoration. Always use a steel vessel. Here I have some granulated sugar and lemon rinds and the lemon sections. I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to heat it till the sugar melts on a medium flame. Add 3 egg whites into a medium sized bowl. Also add 2 whole eggs into it. Whisk them together well with the help of wire whisk. Gradually add the lemon mixture to the egg mixture, stirring constantly with a whisk. Now our lemon custard is ready. Let us carefully transfer this into our pie crust. Now that our crust is cooled down, we will add this custard mixture now. Arrange the lemon slices onto the custard. This looks beautiful, isn't it? This goes into the oven for 10 minutes. You can see that the custard is not set completely after 10 minutes, but that's okay. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and this goes back into the oven for another 10 minutes. This is how our lemon tart looks after another 10 minutes of baking. The custard is almost set. Now let us broil it for about 1 minute. See how beautiful our tart looks after 1 minute of broiling. Let us chill it for about 4 hours in our refrigerator. Now I'm going to take out the foil. The custard is completely set and the tart is completely cool, and I can easily handle it with my hands. Cut the wedges with a sharp knife and serve it along with some ice cream or whipped cream. I'm gonna just enjoy it as is. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're gonna make this during the summer and enjoy. Thank you.